How to make a Christmas call screen. Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, we've got a quick and easy tutorial for iOS 17 users. In the spirit of the holidays, we'll be making Christmas contact poster that will surprise you, dear contacts. Before we jump in, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you stay updated with our latest tech guides. Alright, let's get started. Open your Contacts app on your iOS 17 device. Find your contact poster and let's start editing. Tap on the contact to open its details. Look for an Edit button. It might be at the top of the screen. Tap on it to enter the editing mode. Now, you should see another edit option below the contact poster. Select that option. On the new page, let's add a new poster so we can save our previous posters. Tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Memoji. This is your current Memoji. Here, tap on these 3 dots and tap OK Edit. Do you see these 3 colors here? Pick the exact colors. Next, scroll down till you find Santa's hat. And the last detail is to choose clothes. Tap on the clothing option below Memoji. Let's pick the red. Again, pick the same colors as you see on the screen and choose your clothing. I will choose this one. Now tap on Done. At this page, you can see some styles of the Memoji. Choose one that you like and tap on Next. Here you can style all the elements of the poster. And there you have it, folks. Hope that you like your new poster. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if you have any other iOS topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.